Today we're in Columbia, New Jersey, the home of Lakota Wolf Reserve. For the past 20 years, owners Jim and Becky Stein have taken in wolves born in captivity to give them a good place to live and to educate the public about wolf behavior. I'm here with professional wildlife and nature photographer David Akubian to photograph the wolf packs.
It's just so incredible when people can come and see something so spectacular. So just they're safe. The people are safe that are viewing them.
Yeah. Our goal was to take a handful of wolves born in captivity, give them a good place to live out their lives, and help teach people about wolves and give them a chance to see them in their natural habitat and something that they might never get a chance to see out in the wild.
They've done such an incredible job of allowing you to capture beautiful images and see the wolves up close. A 70-210 is probably the perfect focal length to be here, and the close focusing capabilities is allowing me to really get some nice tight eye shots like this. Today I photographed with the Tamron 70-210 f4 lens. There you go. Perfect. You're not trying to lure me in because this is how he gets cheap food for the wolves, are you? For my settings, I chose f5.6 because I wanted to offer a little depth of field, but still isolate the wolf against its background. I knew with the wolf moving, I would be shooting between 1/125th of a second and 1/1000th of a second. Because of the mottled light, the wolf moving in and out of shadow and highlight, I chose auto ISO to allow the camera to quickly adjust to that change of light. So when I'm shooting in continuous high to go ahead and compensate for any time that the wolf's eyes may be closed, and I'm able to go ahead and maximize my chances of getting the clear shot, just like that. With these wolves, as in with any predator, they often move quickly and will hold a pose for only a moment. One great surprise today was when all 18 wolves began to howl in unison. And I caught myself just listening for a moment before I started taking pictures again. I never imagined the sound would be as overwhelming and as incredible as it was. And I just will always remember that sound for the rest of my life.
When photographing wildlife, even at Lakota Wolf Preserve, bring your patience, but be ready to act quickly. And you too can have a howling good time.